Hello, hello. Let me tell you what happened to this 120-pound Oriental rug that's been cleaned already in Alabama and come back to the lady with unpleasant smell. Spent 2 years in a garage, and after 2 years the lady discovered that one company in Florida specialize cleaning the Oriental rug after you have tried everything in the world and you realize that nobody can remove the urine odor. PetPeePee. Let's see how we do that.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
It's good. After the Oriental rug has been cleaned by other carpet cleaner, other professional Oriental rug cleaner, and the smell it still remain in the rug, unpleasant smell coming from the rug, and you ask yourself, what's went wrong? What? Allow me to explain to you what happened. Residue of the pet accident, plus the cleaning product that you used, plus the cleaning product the professional Oriental rug cleaner left inside the rug, all of them together combined in one big area, and it smelled bad. Now, the problem is not to clean your Oriental rug. It's to flush out all the remaining chemicals, deodorize, enzyme, and the pet accident, the PP, all of them have to be flushed out completely from the entire fiber, through the base of the rug, through the wool, the silk, everything have to be washed through. And we at PetPeePee invented and built a machine that clean Oriental rug through. This is the reason that we received 120 5-star reviews on Google, on Angels List, because what we promise, we deliver. PetPeePee. Take a look how we clean Oriental rug, different from the rest. And please, stay tuned after the video and see how we fold Oriental rug for shipping or for storage. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee.